Okay, so guys, YouTube just sent me this package, and I'm gonna unbox it right now. I have no idea what this is. All right, here we go. Yo, dude, it's the cardboard play button. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah, that is wow. That is just something. Presented to Joe Fonda for passing 100 subscribers. Man, thank you YouTube for sending me this. But yeah. So, man, this really is something. Really is something, huh? I wonder how much it costs to like make this. Probably a lot. I mean, you gotta like, you know, cut it out and tape everything together. Not that I would know. I mean, you know, this is, man, thank you guys for 100 subscribers. I hope maybe in like 20-30 years I'll get to 1,000 subscribers and I'll get like, I don't know, maybe iron or something. But yeah, I'm gonna hang it on my wall. So yeah, I'm gonna put it over here. Gotta clean this stuff out. Come on, I'll put it right here. Oh man. All right, and there we go. That looks nice. All right.